Good morning. It's April 25th. This is an update on St. Anne's new project. We've got the brick in. It just came in late last week. This is the west side entrance. This is walking east, looking at the new portico. This is where the new front doors will be. This is inside the narthex. These are the doors going into the church. You can see we're starting to get some of the painting done. The west side entrance to the church. I've just got some of the tile in. The new men's restroom. This looks good. This is looking east down the narthex hallway. This is the east entrance into the church. That's the entrance to the women's restroom. This is an opening for one of the digital displays.
I got a couple boxes made up here already. I've got a couple boxes for these right here already made if you want. Okay. I didn't know if that's what you were jumping on.
This will be the entrance from the portico area. This is the fellowship hall. This will be the new coffee bar. This will be the entrance to the new family restroom. There's a look toward St. Francis Hall. This, of course, will all be landscaped on this side of the building. And this is the entrance on the east side into the church. These will be new double doors here going into the church. This is a look outside on the east side. So eventually there'll be a door here And there'll be a door down at that other opening you see. Be a garden wall here. There'll be landscaping, and of course we'll widen up the drive here. And that's it for April 25th.